This is the 3-finger clamp from SnakeClamp products. It has 3 fingers oriented to hold all kinds of objects. This clamp can close completely to hold even the thinnest of objects. It will open all the way to 3 5/8 inches. Simply turn on the handle to open and close. This is made out of chrome-plated steel. The 3 fingers are covered with a soft vinyl. The spacing between the 2 adjacent fingers is about 1 inch. The reach of the clamp is about 2.5 inches. The 3-finger clamp comes with a stainless steel adapter with SnakeClamp standard 3/8-24 threads for attaching the SnakeClamp brand flexible gooseneck tube or rigid arms. Simply screw in the 3-finger clamp, gently tighten the set screw to lock it into place. This is the 3-finger clamp from SnakeClamp products, part number SCP-3FC.